What's going on, everyone? You're watching Emeroy TV, the place to move, groove, and grow. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys a basic footwork move called the shuffles. Alright, so a little bit of a different setup today because it doesn't let me show you what you guys did. You might have seen it in the demo already, but just so I can pinpoint. So here is what you're doing. Shuffles. Okay? So how you get into that move is up to you. In any way, ultimately, any move you learn, you want to be able to figure out how to get in and out in multiple ways. That way, you're not just that way you're not getting predictable. Okay, one very easy way. I'm teaching it to. Okay, you go to here, then you can shuffle. Okay. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you the footwork so we can see it. And there's kind of like a body level. I like doing it. You don't necessarily have to do it, but I just think it's better than just doing this. It looks like a flopping mermaid. Okay. So. You guys have been driving by this whole time. I thought they were gonna kick me out. Anyways, say you're here, okay? I'm on my right side, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kick. So I have this kind of like half split kind of thing going on, but I'm gonna try to lift this left foot up. Okay, so that causes me to lean back a little bit more, okay? So what I'm gonna do is switch my feet, boom, like I'm doing like karate kick or something. Okay, kick, I bring this in as much as I can, boom. Then I'm gonna extend my right and bring this in like a ninja. Boom. Then I unextend and I just go backwards. Cool? And you can come from a hook too. Okay? So say I'm coming from a hook. Okay? Example. Say I'm gonna do coming from your neutral stance here. Okay? And I can go here, here. Cool? You wanna be able to come in and out of moves multiple ways. So one, okay, watch the shape. Cool. Pay attention to the details. So I'm going too slowly so we can do it as well. Switch, boom, hook, and extend the right leg, boom, cool. Then I'm gonna reverse it, out, and hook. Okay? So let's give that a count so we have kind of a rhythm to work with. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now to add it a little bit more, because I don't know if you saw the customizing your 6-step video, there are multiple ways. A lot of these moves are the foundation moves are foundation for a reason. If you run out of stuff, like you run out of like a set, or you're freestyling and you forget your moves, you go back to your foundation moves. Okay, like say you're doing a wave, or say you have your own like, yeah, I'm doing something really cool and unique. And then you forget. That's a terrible example, but you have your foundation to go back to. You go back to your 6-step because it's automatic. It should be ingrained where it's like literally like riding a bicycle, even though I don't know how to ride a bicycle. So variation now. Okay, I should have kept that camera going, but anyways, okay, I'm gonna have to just turn. Okay, so from here, boom, here, I like doing levels. So here, hook, here, up. So so on the initial one, 1, 2, 3. On the ninja hook, I go back down like how I taught you guys your ninja. Okay? Kick, kick, up, kick, kick, down, kick, kick, up. Up. Cool? So that's one variation. Okay? Another variation is you can push it out. I think this variation might be the Casper shuffles, but I'm not too sure. I haven't seen any of this stuff in a while, so if you guys want to correct me on that at all, link me a video, because as far as I know there is Casper shuffles. I'm not sure if this is technically the right way of doing it, because I know it's shuffles but you're traveling. I'm not sure if this is the proper way of doing it, but I'm doing it based off this version of the shuffles. So okay, so you're here, you're doing this move, okay, and all you're doing is travel. Cool, as my mic is falling out. Cool. Try it again. Try not to let it fall out. On the other side. Okay, I normally have a smaller mic, or audio source or phone with me, but it's not charged. So boom. Cool. That's one way. Another one is doing it in the form of footwork. It just feels more comfortable on my right side. That's why I'm switching it. So from here, you can come from, say, a kick out. Okay, boom, kick out, boom. Okay, I'm probably not gonna do these as clean because I don't normally use these moves as a regular thing, but I've seen Ho One do it, like a freaking beast that he is. But I'm just doing it as an example to give you more ideas. Okay, so same thing, how we're kind of a kick out. Okay, kick, switch, hook, kick, switch, hook, kick, switch, hook, switch. Same thing, but you're up to more footwork level instead of a sitting and laying down level. So that's it. The main thing that I want you guys to get out of this is to work on your basic shuffles. Then from there, you can start doing variations. Once you're feeling brave enough to do something else, okay? Hell, do it on your forearm. Make it different, okay? This is a beginner, I'm not gonna say a foundation, but it's a beginner move. It's enough for you to do something creative with it. Hell, any move you learn should be able to be experimenting and finding different angles just to make it different. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, share this with a friend who you know will love it if they're learning how to break or just dance in general, and you guys want to learn cool moves to show off to your friends, share with them. If you got any questions, like a little bit more clarity that you want, or if you're liking the multiple camera sequence, if that's working for you, let me know. And if it's your first time checking out my channel and discovering, or this is just like the 5th move you've learned and you're still trying to figure out how to put moves together, and if you're trying to learn how to like legit breakdance or b-boy, or you're still learning moves and still feel confused in how to put it together without messing up, without having to think about it, and feel confident in doing it in front of other people, I strongly recommend that you guys check out the free online workshop that I have. The link is down below. Just sign up, put in your email, everything will be automatically sent to you. I cover everything from top rocks, get downs, footworks, show you a routine, and I show you exercises and how to feel more confident in doing it in a public setting. And I do it in a way where it's not like, holy crap, I'm gonna people are watching. It's not in a way where you're feeling overwhelmed. I do it in a way where you're slowly building it. You're building your confidence. So if you're interested in that, sign up down below, and I'll see you guys in the free online workshop. If not, I'll see you guys in the next upcoming Emeroy TV episodes. And yeah, I appreciate your attention, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Your hands out of bounds, you can run, but you can't hide.